Put one ginger piece near your plant. It may look simple, but farmers secretly use this to keep their plants strong and disease-free. Ginger is not just for your kitchen. This one piece is packed with antifungal and antibacterial compounds that protect roots from rot, block harmful microbes, and stop pests from attacking. It also boosts cell regeneration, meaning healthier stems, greener leaves, and faster recovery if your plant looks weak. Here's the trick. You don't need many slices. Just take a big ginger piece and place it near the stem, slightly pressed into the soil. As it slowly breaks down, it naturally releases its protective power into the roots. After about a week, you'll notice greener, stronger growth and fewer plant problems. That's the hidden secret farmers rarely share, but now it's yours. Try it with just one ginger piece and tell me your results in the comments.